Hi, this is Lockhead-Martin F-16 fighting Falcon. Basically F-16, F-16. It's PM model. It's made in Turkey. You can see here it's made in Turkey. Turkish model. Yes, that's the box. And that is the parts. You can see instruction. I think there's two of them. Those are the parts. Those are the decal for the Turkish airline, Pakistani airline. That's the instruction. Alright, it is ready to be assembly. I usually remove parts first, and then put together and then paint it. Usually pros not do like this. They paint it before remove the parts. You can see here. There's some I need to clean them. You can see here there's a lot of small parts. You can also see here, but it is cheaper than European models, so it's okay. Those has some wires. This is finished version, painted and recals applied. You can see. You can compare with the Revell's one. Of course, it is better as a pilot, better cockpit, but that is okay. That's not so bad. I use three colors: black, aluminium, and mouse gray. Actually, aluminium is not looking good. You can prefer another color, like gray, white gray, etc. I just applied it under it. You can see it is better connections. But that's okay.